I'll be. We do like noises. It'll be fun.
Okay, what are you doing?
I'll be.
Okay.
You be.
Okay.
You be.
No.
Okay.
No, we need to do different things that are easier to decipher. They're all too close to each other.
Okay.
No, do different things that are easier to decipher from one than the other.
Yeah,
I'll be.
Shabby.
Do
No.
I keep hitting so much.
it.
Okay, ready? So.
What do you do?
So. Okay, you ready?
Okay.
I know, I can't.
Yes, you can.
Start.
I don't remember what your guys' names are. I can't remember your guys' names.
Those
My
are
guys-
two toys.
Okay,
No, I
you're the jerk.
No, but I can't remember what your guys'
Okay,
names
my
are.
turn.
Mine is.
And you're just, okay? You're the jerk. No, okay, we'll start over.
I'll start. I can't do
You did it like that. Wait.
I can't do that noise with my tongue. It's like
She's like, she went,
First of all,
No, because I keep trying to go, and I can't do it.
yeah, there.
I'm not going to There's people arriving.
Okay, let's start.
Okay.
stop getting the same noise twice.
No, she went,
Hey, what's your noise? I can't, I'm not going to remember that.
Alright, I got it.
What the fuck was that? It was just,
I can't do it.
What is so hard?
Wait, I
Stick out your tongue.
No, I have the motor skills of a 3-year-old right now. You don't understand. I can stick up my head.
Just listen.
No, like,
No, go.
I try to know, because you know what it is? I try to do it too fast, and then, like, I forget what to do, so I'm all...
Or the...
Yeah, like, your motor skills of a 3 or a 2-year-old at most.
Can you do that? Okay, you're
I'm
ready?
gonna forget, I'm gonna...
Do the noise. Do the noise.
She's like, I can't do that.
Just put, like, the wind behind it and then press, like... And you realize now, if we change it to that, I'm just gonna start going...
Let's try it. Dave, come on. Come on, Dave.
Can you guys do that? Listen. Yeah.
Wait.
Go.
You stop. Jimmy Neutron.
You're not supposed to. No, you're opening your mouth. You're going. Go.
I can't do it.
Okay, let's start. Mine is... Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna do it as.
No.
Any variation of that is
Yeah.
No. Then my...
Okay, mine will be.
No, I can't do the different ones.
No, do... Okay.
Okay, what's yours?
So for her.
You just be.
No, but...
Just do...
Just know that is my sound for you. We can't
You
call
do...
it.
No. You're like... No, just go... Yeah.
I can't do that. Unless I'm
Okay, let's
told
start.
to do
Let's
it.
start.
Man, okay.
Okay?
Sure.
Okay,
Ooh.
okay.
I don't like mine.
No, just be... yeah. No. Just be no.
No.
Alright.
And it's... No, no. No,
No.
but... Oh, your feet in the way. Oh, it's still recording.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
wait.
Please,
Wait.
just fucking go. Do it.
There!
No,
No,
that's
stop.
it.
Okay. Okay.
It's, okay.
I'm gonna fuck
I'll
this whole
start.
thing up. I can't comprehend anything.
I'll start.
I tried. Fuck all of you in this game. I'm done.
Okay.
I'm done with this game. We need to find something else to play. Marry, fuck, or kill.
Or, no, let's play the duck.
Okay. With all different animals?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know how to play dog.
We can do it back and forth, like around, like a few times.
Okay.
We can get the
Yeah,
okay.
we'll just go around.
I don't know it.
We should pay attention. We can play fast later. Okay. Want to buy a duck?
A what?
A duck.
Does it quack?
Of course it quacks.
Wait,
Let's do it back and forth. Yeah.
Oh.
It's gonna be hard. But...
Oh, okay, right. Do you want to buy a pig?
What?
God, this is I want to say a duck.
No, you have to say a what to me, and then I have to say a what again. Like, it's hard to do it two people.
I don't understand this.
Okay.
Okay.
Without the variation, just a duck. Okay, I'd be like, Dave, do you want to buy a duck?
Okay.
You say, a what?
A what?
A duck. You say, does it quack?
Does it quack?
Of course it quacks. Then you say to a different animal,
Do you want to buy a dog?
A what?
and then
A
say,
duck?
a what?
No, you say a
Oh,
what to
a
her.
what?
A what? Then I say, a duck.
And
And you
you
say,
say
a
a
dog.
A dog.
Does it bark?
Does it bark?
Does it quack?
Does it quack?
Does it quack?
I mean,
Does it quack?
does
Does
it
it
quack?
quack?
Of course it quacks. Then of course it
Of
barks.
course it barks.
Hey, Joey, you want to buy a frog?
A what?
A what?
A what?
A duck.
Dog.
Wait, I need to stop this just for a second.
I'll see you at that.